Hello to everyone, welcome to the small story. I hope all of you are alright. Air layering is the best and most easiest method to multiply your plants. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make air layering of a big tree using the most simplest method. You can apply this method to any type of tree. I am showing you the general method of air layering. The extra benefit of air layering is that the age of the new plant is same to the age of mother plant. It plays a very important role to develop fruit on a young plant. I will show you the complete method of air layering. In the video, I am using black plum tree. First, I show you the method on a small branch and then I show you the result. Method. Firstly, you have to select the branch where you want to air layer your plant. Remove the upper bark of the branch as I am doing in the video. You have to remove the bark completely from the branch until the white part appears. It is the xylem part which supplies water to the plant. I am using a plastic sheet and a string to cover the part with soil. For the soil mix, I am using Cocopeat and soil. Make the soil moist and place the soil to that part. As I am doing in the video, place the soil all around the branch. Cover it with the plastic sheet and tie the string tightly. Your string must not be loose. I done all the process. Now, leave it for 2 to 3 months. After that time, the branch grows many roots. After 74 days. The plastic showing some roots. Remove the branch from the plant carefully. I cut the most part of the plant. Remove the plastic with great care. Don't damage the roots. You can see, in 74 days the plant had grown so many roots. Place the root bowl in the water for 10 minutes. It will help the plant to suck water. For the soil mix, I am using Cocopeat and soil. Fill the soil mix in the pot and slowly place the root bowl in the center of the pot. Add more soil. Press the soil to give support to your plant. Add water to the soil and place the pot in the shade for 2 weeks. I hope you like this video. If you find anything helpful in this video then subscribe to my channel.